Docks Marine opens 7 days a week from 8 to 5. Sales, rental, service, all in one place. It's at Docks Marine, 5803 Eichard Ridge Road.
Welcome back. It's time now for Community Focus here on the WHKY News. I'm Ralph Mangum with the latest from Hickory's Frye Regional Medical Center. Here's WHKY's Arianna Mack.
Frye Regional Medical Center, a Duke LifePoint hospital, has received American Heart Association Get With The Guidelines Heart Failure Gold Plus and Get With The Guidelines Stroke Silver Plus Achievement Awards for demonstrating commitment to follow up-to-date research-based guidelines for the treatment of heart disease and stroke, ultimately leading to more lives saved, shorter recovery times, and fewer readmissions to the hospital. According to the American Heart Association, someone in the U.S. has a stroke or heart attack every 40 seconds, with heart disease and stroke ranked as number 1 and number 5 causes of death in the United States, respectively. Studies show patients can recover better when providers consistently follow treatment guidelines. Get With The Guidelines puts the expertise of the American Heart Association and American Stroke Association to work for hospitals nationwide, helping ensure patient care is aligned with the latest evidence and research-based guidelines. As a participant in the Get With The Guidelines program, Frye Regional qualified for the awards by demonstrating how their organization has committed to improving quality care. Frye Regional is committed to improving care by adhering to the latest treatment guidelines and streamlining processes to ensure timely and proper care for heart attacks and strokes, said Philip Green, MD, Chief Executive Officer of Frye Regional Medical Center. The Mission, Lifeline, and Get With The Guidelines programs make it easier for our teams to put proven knowledge and guidelines to work on a daily basis, which helps us ensure more people in the Catawba Valley experience longer, healthier lives. Frye Regional also earned recognition on the American Heart Association's honor rolls for heart failure, stroke, and type 2 diabetes, respectively. These distinctions highlight the hospital's commitment to improving patient outcomes through enhanced medication adherence, early follow-up care, patient education, and timely care for patients. These awards show Frye Regional's commitment to caring for those in their community who need cardiovascular care, said Donald Lloyd Jones, chair of the American Heart Association Quality Oversight Committee and chair of the Department of Prevention Medicine at Northwestern Medicine. By following the American Heart Association's quality improvement protocols, Frye Regional can help realize our shared vision of improved patient outcomes, fewer readmissions, and lower mortality rates. A win for healthcare systems, families, and communities. For more information about heart disease or stroke, talk with your doctor or visit the American Heart Association at heart.org. Need a doctor? Call 828-315-3391 or visit the Find a Doctor tab at myfryeregional.com. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna. WHKY's Rob Eastwood reports on a project that's expected to bring new jobs to the Hickory Metro.
The Rural Infrastructure Authority, or R.I.A., has approved 8 grants to local governments in North Carolina, totaling $1,650,000. Governor Roy Cooper made the announcement last week. 2 Hickory Metro communities are receiving grants. One of those grants went to Miller Knoll in Hildebrand. I reported on that last week. The other grant is going to Caldwell County and will create close to 20 jobs. The requests include commitments to create a total of 297 jobs, 56 of which were previously announced. The public investment in these projects will attract more than $234 million in public and private investment. The R.I.A. approved 8 grant requests under the state's Building Reuse Program in 3 categories. A $140,000 grant will support the reuse of a 13,000 square foot building in Lenoir. where Nutramelts plans to locate. The company is a health and wellness brand that specializes in premium supplement offerings like vitamins, minerals, herbs, and nutraceuticals. The R.I.A. is supported by the Rural Economic Development Team at the North Carolina Department of Commerce. R.I.A. members review and approve funding requests from local communities. Funding comes from a variety of specialized grant and loan programs. Grants support a variety of activities, including infrastructure development, building renovation, expansion, and demolition, along with site improvements. The project is expected to create 18 jobs in Lenoir with a private investment of more than $2.2 million. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thank you, Rob, and thank you all for joining us here on Community Focus and the WHKY News. Now, on behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna, Mack, and Jason Savage, I'm Ralph Mangum. This has been the WHKY News.